Aulia, tell us about yourself.
Okay, I may not be academically active, but I'm a very reliable person, and I'm also a person who is not easily confident enough.
Okay, describe your personality in 3 words.
Maybe well and cheerful and friendly.
That's enough. What is your dream job?
Maybe I want to be an international educator and provide knowledge that is beneficial to students and others around me. Enough.
Tell us something about yourself that no one else knows.
That I'm actually a crying person. I'm a loving person and I'm a clingy person. Enough.
And tell me about your leadership experiences.
Okay, actually, I don't have any leadership experience because I wasn't very active in junior high school or high school, but I have always been a member who can protect other members. You know.
Okay. Next, Kang Syamil. Tell us about yourself.
Okay, it can be said that I'm an introvert person. So, and my hobby is into the coffee things like physics tea, brewing, and recently I have favorite in brewing coffee, which is Magic. Yeah, that's the coffee I like recently. And now, yes, but in personally, I am not academically well because I'm not into the educating person, but I have interest in civil engineering and architect. Maybe that's from me, but myself.
Next, describe your personality in 3 words.
Okay, 3 words. Let me think. Okay, the first one is exactly introvert, confident, and what is it? Shy maybe. I'm actually a shy person. Maybe that's enough. 3 words. Next question, please.
Okay, next, what is your dream job?
Okay, about my dream job, I am actually into the architect thing. So I want to be architecture or maybe a civil engineering person, a professional one. That's my dream job because that's my job from my childhood experience. I want to be architecture or civil engineering person. Maybe that's enough.
Okay. Next, tell me about yourself that no one else knows.
One thing that I want to say here is, yeah, about myself that no one else knows is that I'm actually a lazy person. So if I have a task, I will do it in a simple way, or maybe the the most simple way to do the task, I will do it. Not the hardest one. I will Yeah, I will simply search the the most simple way to do the task. I'm actually a lazy person.
And the last question is tell me about your leadership
Okay, leadership
experience.
experience. Okay, let me think. Okay, actually, I don't have any leadership experience in the latest years of my life, especially in junior high school and senior high school, and the latest semester in the college. But recently, I have a job in a company, which is, yes, a construction company. So I get in and I have a seat in a secretary. Yeah. Now I have to, what is it? Tidying up the administrations and lead some people that below me. Yeah. Like the operational person, operational people, and etc. Maybe that's my leadership experience. I don't have it in senior and junior high school, but after college, I have that leadership experience. Maybe that's all from me. Thank you for all your question.
Thank you, Aulia and Shamil, for
Yeah,
your
thank you.
information.
Uh, Nanda, tell me about yourself.
My name is Nanda Putu Fadila.
I'm from Pangandaran, especially near from Banjarsari, Ciamis, and I'm 20 years old. And I'm the first child of four siblings. And I'm a student of at UIN Sunan Gunung Jati in English education. And I am a person confident, enthusiastic, and disciplined, but I sometimes have a changing personality.
Okay, please describe your personality in 3 words.
I think three words that describe my personality is independent, empathic, and disciplined.
Oh wow. Next question. What is your dream job?
Actually, my dream job is to be civil servants and entrepreneurs, but because I want to devote myself a little to the country and also earn enough money for my life and my family. I also want to be an independent woman without having to depend on anyone, even if it's my own husband.
Oh, okay. Next question 4. Tell me about yourself that no one else know, please.
I was a very ambitious person in terms of education before, but for some reason now I'm not so ambitious about education, and now I actually really want to drop out of college and just want to work to earn money. And I also thought about not having children, or you can say child free.
Oh wow. Okay, last question. Tell me about your leadership experience.
When I was in junior high school and junior high school and senior high school, I was very active in organizations. I have served as the chairman of the Scout Council in junior high school, been the vice chairman of OSIS in junior and senior high school, and was one of the language mentors at the Islamic boarding school. Apart from that, I was also the chair of one of the big farewell events at one of the Islamic boarding school in Chiamis and was a member of its management board. I think that's my experience of leadership.
Okay, thank you Nanda for answering the question. Now it's Kang Shamil next, please. Okay, Kang Shamil, please tell me about yourself.
I have to tell about myself, right? Okay, my name is Shamil Fatih. I'm actually 21 years old. So, and I live in Bandung, in a village called Pangalengan. I live there. So, maybe I have to tell you about my hobbies. My hobbies is about brewing coffee. I can brew P16 and recently like to have a magic coffee which is like a ristretto with some milk blended that have a complex taste and experience. And I'm actually a lazy person. Okay, next question.
Okay, describe your personality in 3 words.
My personality in 3 words. Okay, let me think. The first one is maybe introvert. Second one, the second one is maybe confident, and the last thing is shy. That's it.
Yes, enough. Okay, next question. What is your dream job, Kang Shamil?
My dream job is actually an architecture because that's my childhood dreams, or actually civil engineering, which is now I have a job in that field of work. Now recently I have work in to build a coffee, what is it, a coffee workshop building. Maybe that's enough.
Enough. Next question. Tell me something about yourself that no one else knows.
About myself that no one else know. Okay, I actually mentioned it in the first one question. So I actually a lazy person. So when a task come from anyone else, I have always to think the most simple way to do it. Cause if it's the hardest, I'm a lazy person. So I have to do it in the most simple way to do the task. I'm a lazy person.
Oh, okay. Last question. Tell me about your leadership experience.
Okay, leadership experience. Okay, let me think. So from the first year of my students in senior or junior high school, I don't have any leadership experience. But after the college, after 7 semester in my college, now I have a job in a business company, which is a construction company. Now I have a seat in a secretary, so I have to tidy up. The documentaries, financials, and something else, and lead some people below me. So that's now, yeah, it can be said that's my leadership experience recently. Maybe that's enough.
Okay, thank you, Kang Shamil.
Okay.
Next.
Okay. So the woman with brown veil, I have a question for you. Okay, can you tell me about yourself?
Okay, my name is Aulia Maharani. I live in Bandung Regency, specifically Cicalengka, Ranca Ekek, and I may not be academically active, but I'm a very reliable person, and I'm also a person who is not easily confident.
Okay, now that you have tell me about yourself or told me about yourself. Now, can you describe your personality in 3 words?
I think and I feel I am very kind, cheerful, and friendly, maybe.
Okay. Okay, that's the 3 words in your personality. Okay, according to your personality, can you explain me what is your dream job?
Okay, my dream job is to become an international educator and provide useful knowledge to students and other people around me. Maybe enough.
Wow, that's aligned with your personality. That's a good one. Okay, now can you tell me about yourself that no one else know? Something maybe?
Okay, maybe what other people don't know about me is that I am actually a crying person. I'm a loving person and I'm a clingy person.
Okay, now that you mentioned your something that no one else know about. Now, can you tell me about your leadership experience?
Actually, I don't have any leadership experience because I wasn't very active in junior high school or senior high school, but I have always been a member who can protect others members. That's enough.
Okay, that's a good one. So the next one is a woman with creamy veil. I wanna ask you something. Okay, can you tell me about yourself?
Okay, my name is Nanda Putri Fadila. I come from Pangandaran, especially near from Ciamis, and I'm 20 years old. I'm the first child of four siblings, and I am a person who confident, enthusiastic, and disciplined. But I sometimes have a changing personality.
Okay, that's a good one. Now, according to your descriptions, can you describe your personality in 3 words?
I think I'm independent, empathetic, and disciplined.
Okay, now that you have mentioned your 3 words personality, what is your dream job?
Uh, Actually, my dream job is to be civil servants and entrepreneurs because I want to devote myself a little to the country and also earn enough money for my life and my family. I also want to be an independent woman without having to depend on anyone, even if it's my own husband.
Okay, Nanda, that's good one. Your dream job is very well with your personality. It's aligned well. So, do you have a secret, or can you tell me or tell us something about yourself that no one else knows?
I was a very ambitious person in terms of education, but for some reason now I'm not so ambitious about education. And actually, now I really want to drop out of college and just want to work to earn money and also thought about not having children, or we can say child free.
Okay. Wow. Unbelievable. Okay. Now that you have mentioned your confidential thing, now can you tell me about your experience in leadership?
When I was in junior and senior high school, I was very active in organizations. I have served as the chairman of the Scout Council in junior high school, been the vice chairman of OSIS in junior high school to senior high school, and was one of the language mentors at the Islamic boarding school. Apart from that, I was also the chair of one of the big farewell events at one of the Islamic boarding schools in Ciamis, and was a member of its management board. That's all information
Wow.
about.
Wow. That your leadership experience describing you are an ambitious person. That's a good explanation. Maybe that's all from me for you two, for you two both question. Thank you thank you very much.
Okay, thank you all.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.